Invasions are a major cause of ecosystem disruption and biodiversity loss and are increasing at an alarming rate. One of the most pressing biological invasions occurring right now is that of Atlantic and Caribbean coral reefs by the Indo-Pacific red lionfish. Lionfish were introduced to the waters off Florida sometime in the mid-1980s, most likely through releases from marine aquaria. The species range has expanded rapidly in the past 2 decades and now covers a substantial portion of the tropical and subtropical Western Atlantic and Caribbean. This rapid invasion might give lionfish the potential to cause one of the most devastating marine invasions to date. Lionfish have been able to colonize such a vast area of ocean so rapidly because of several factors. First, they exhibit extremely high individual growth and reproductive rates. Not only do they spawn continuously throughout the year, but females can produce over 2 million eggs annually. Second, they are unique and highly effective predators. In terms of both their appearance and their hunting methods, they are unlike any other predator a fish would encounter in the Atlantic, and because of this, they enjoy extremely high consumption rates. Not only are they excellent predators, but they seem to be impervious from predation themselves due to their strange appearance and long venomous spines. Additionally, they appear to be outcompeting the native mesopredators and show a high resistance to parasitism. This combination of traits has made lionfish perfect invaders. The effects of their invasion are not still fully understood, but one study showed that their presence caused a 90% reduction in the abundance of prey fishes. Not only could their appetites directly reduce prey abundance, but it could have even more severe indirect consequences. Given that they prey on parrotfishes, lionfish have the potential to wipe out a major group of herbivores that normally help to prevent seaweeds from outcompeting corals. The worst case outcome of this invasion is one in which nearly all reef fish biomass is converted to lionfish biomass, until there's nothing to contain their spread except intraspecific competition. If this scenario comes to fruition, it would drastically change the way our coral reefs look from Brazil to North Carolina. Efforts to avoid this scenario have already begun, and have mainly focused on harvesting lionfish by spearfishing. Unfortunately, it would be impossible for divers to cover the entire range of lionfish, and thus it seems that the ultimate hope is that some combination of native parasites, predators, and competitors will effectively control lionfish populations. While it is presently unknown which agents might actually achieve this, a good place to start would be to implement fishing restrictions and marine reserves to protect species capable of controlling lionfish abundance. Ultimately, only time will tell whether local control efforts or simply nature running its course will limit the potentially disastrous lionfish invasion.